Well, I haven't actually recorded any videos for a while, so I recorded one today and thought I'd post this one on the channel. As it's got some good trading, some bad trading in it. It was a bit of a roller coaster race, really. But anyways, this is a maiden. So it's got a short price favourite there, which is Harbour, and Eartha Kitt's hovering around 6.0. Just waiting for that indicator to make me want to enter the market on the short price favourite there. And looking at Eartha Kitt, that's gone past the 6.0 mark. It seems to be making a move inwards. So I placed a £200 trade on the lay side of Harbour at 1.99. It already seems to be going quite well. I'm starting to think that the price is going to start flying up and I'm going to make a decent profit there, maybe £10–15. But as you can see in a minute, it doesn't quite happen. Even looking at Eartha Kitt, that's come into about 5.5. But Harbour's not really budging. It's being kept down by some quite a lot of money there on the backside at 2.02, 2.0. Whether that's real money, I don't know, but it's certainly keeping that price down. Anyway, looking at Eartha Kitt, it's still around 5.5, so keeping an eye on that. On Harbour, I'm gone back into the red really there, so I'm starting to think about maybe just cutting my losses and taking that loss. But Eartha Kitt, you can see in a minute, it keeps going downwards. So it's moving towards sort of 5.0 now. So I'm thinking, well, Harbour's definitely going to move out. I'm definitely going to close out for a profit here. But that doesn't happen. I mean, looking at Eartha Kitt now, it's gone down to almost 5.0. So normally I'll be thinking, right, this is definitely going to move out. But the fact it's not, it's got me a bit wary and thinking, but it should have done by now. So I started to think, well, maybe I should just close out and try a different tactic. But Eartha Kitt is 5.0. We see in a second it keeps going downwards, it keeps steaming in, and Harbour's not budging. In fact, it's still going the wrong way for me, and I'm almost £2–3 in the red. Once it gets about £3 in the red for me, and I'm thinking, well, maybe it's time to get out. But it depends on the race and your thinking, of course. But yeah, so you can see in a minute I actually close out on Harbour for £4.10. It's my way of thinking initially is just it's not working out, and it's almost a minute left to go, so it's time to cut my losses really and take that loss. But £4.10 loss, it's not the end of the world, but also it's not very good either. So I'll try and claw some of it back. It's still got at least a minute left of trading. Eartha Kitt, it still seems to be coming in a little bit. But with Harbour, so that still seems to be steaming in as well. So it seems like quite a strong favourite, and there's a lot of money coming in to back it. So I'm just gonna, if you can't beat them, join them. So I jumped in on that, and start to claw some of that loss back, which is great. It's good to see that I'm getting back in the green again. If I can, get some more green, that'll be great as well. So I'm still sticking with it. 20 odd seconds left to go. So Eartha Kitt's still coming in, so it's almost at 4.5 now, so that's been quite a big move. But looking at the two horses on the right, Think Fashion and Moonlit Show, then they're really drifting out. So maybe Harbour will keep coming in. So I'm gonna stick with that for the moment and take my profit out in £50 increments. So at the stage now I'm on sort of like £3 profit, which isn't too bad considering I was on a £3–4 loss before. So looking at Harbour now, it's actually starting to drift out a bit. Eartha Kitt's continuing to steam in. So what we've got left, we've got, the race should have started by now, so I'm just starting to think about whether or not I can continue trading. You can see it's drifted out a lot, and I've actually put myself in a loss again of almost £4. So I'm thinking, well, am I going to stop trading now? Am I going to carry on? So looking at the Betfair video there, there's still a good couple of minutes left in this. And actually, looking at the matchsticks on the left of Harbour there, they seem to be there seems to be a really strong trend growing there, and it's drifting out quite a fast way. There's a lot of money coming on the lay side to lay that horse, and it's almost like looking at the matchsticks really, and looking at Eartha Kitt and what that's doing. And I'm thinking I think this is going to be quite a strong move. Eartha Kitt's going below 4.0 now, which is massive really. So Harbour's finally starting to move, and you can see I put about £2–300 on the lay side there, and it's and I've ended up moving into a decent profit. So I think it shows with that even in the last minute or so, you can get a really big move on a maiden. I was looking for a big move a lot earlier than that, and some maidens you do get big moves a lot earlier, but sometimes you've got to wait until the last sort of 30 seconds or so, sometimes later than that. Just be patient and wait for it. And if you do get yourself into a situation where you've got a loss, then just stick with it, and you can sometimes claw yourself out of it. Anyway, that's that really. But thanks for watching.